Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best John Deere tractor tires is probably one of the most important investments you will make for your farm equipment, ensuring optimal performance, longevity, and safety across diverse terrains and demanding agricultural tasks. This video will guide you through the key factors to consider when selecting the right tires and rims for your John Deere tractor, helping you make an informed decision that maximizes your return on investment and enhances your overall farming efficiency. Number 5. Marastar 21425 Lawn Mower Tires. These are the Marastar 21425 tires, designed to replace your old lawn mower tires. They're a perfect fit for most John Deere 100 and 300 series mowers. You get two high-quality tire and wheel assemblies in one pack. This is a cost-effective solution for repairing or replacing your mower's front tires. It boasts a durable multi-track tread for excellent stability and traction. The 4-ply rating ensures long-lasting performance. These are designed for easy installation. Save time and money with this simple, hassle-free solution. They include contractor-grade bushings, an offset hub, and a grease fitting. These features ensure a smooth, long-lasting performance. These are compatible with most John Deere 100 and 300 series riding lawn mowers. They're the perfect replacement for worn-out tires. What we like. This deal offers two assemblies for a low price, making it super convenient and affordable. If you're on a budget and need a quick fix for your John Deere mower, this is a great option. It's perfect for those needing a simple, cost-effective solution. What people say. Easy installation and worked on my John Deere tractor. These fit amazing and are good quality. Direct fit, a little challenging to install, but that's not the manufacturer or the tire's issue. Fit was perfect for replacement of my John Deere D140 front tire wheel assembly. No spacers were required. They just slipped right on. I especially like the wider tread pattern. Number 4. Antego ATW001 Tire and Wheel Set. These 4-ply tubeless tires offer excellent puncture resistance and long-lasting performance, perfect for lawn mowers and tractors. They feature a 6x4.5 wheel with 0.75 precision ball bearings and a 3-inch hub for smooth, reliable operation. With a tire OD of 14.96 and a tire SW of 6.3, they provide a maximum load capacity of 570 pounds and a recommended PSI of 30. It's a direct replacement for select John Deere and Cub Cadet models, ensuring seamless compatibility with your equipment. These tires are designed for various John Deere Series 100 and 300 models and select Cub Cadet models. Please note they are not suitable for trailers or carts. These assemblies come with a 6x4.5 wheel, 3-inch hub, and 0.75 precision ball bearings, ensuring a smooth and reliable mowing experience. What we like. These are built to last with their robust construction and precision ball bearings. If you prioritize durability and smooth operation, this is the choice for you. They're ideal for those wanting a reliable, high-quality replacement that will withstand regular use. What people say. Great fit just like the originals. And so much easier than installing tubes. Perfect fit for my 8-year-old John Deere D100 tractor. These wheels are way better than the stock OEM wheels from John Deere due to them having bearings, and even the tires came delivered inflated. Perfect fit, excellent quality. Nothing substandard in any way. Easy to install myself. Number 3. Marastar 15X 6.00-6 Tire Assembly. This is the Marastar 15X 6.00-6 pneumatic tire and wheel assembly, a perfect replacement for your John Deere mower. It's designed for a smooth, reliable cut. It's built to the same high standards as the original equipment, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. This is a direct replacement for your existing tire and wheel assembly. This assembly features a 4-ply rated Turf Saver tire for superior durability and a solid yellow steel wheel with a 3-inch offset hub. It's built to last. Replacing your old tires has never been easier. This assembly is designed for a simple, straightforward installation, saving you time and money. Always check your existing tire's sidewall for measurements to ensure a proper fit. Refer to the images for instructions on how to measure your tire. It's the perfect solution for your John Deere mower, providing a cost-effective way to keep your equipment running smoothly. This is a direct replacement for 15x 6.00-6 tires. What we like. It's a direct replacement that's gentle on your lawn. If you need a reliable and lawn-friendly replacement, this is a perfect fit. It's the ideal solution for those who want a simple, effective replacement without breaking the bank. What people say. It fit right on and works fine and cost less than a real John Deere replacement. It looks to be decent quality and I expect to get good service from it. The wheel is brand new, the tread is thick and the rim is intact. It makes my lawn tractor look new and these wheels are an asset for resale value of the tractor. Was a perfect fit for my John Deere LT120 riding mower. Bearings were included. Number 2. John Deere 16x 6.50-8 tires and wheels. These high-quality tires and wheels are designed for superior performance and durability. They're perfect for keeping your lawn mower running smoothly. With a robust 4-ply design, these tires are built to withstand the toughest conditions. They provide excellent traction and longevity. The precision ball bearings ensure a smooth, quiet ride. No grease is required for maintenance, saving you time and effort. These tires and wheels are specifically designed to fit select John Deere models made in 2008 or later. Check the list of compatible models to ensure a perfect fit. Experience the difference with these superior tires and wheels. They offer excellent load capacity in a long lifespan, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. These tires and wheels are designed for easy installation. The precision bearings require no lubrication, simplifying maintenance. They fit a range of John Deere models, including the L120, G100, G110, and many more. Please see the product description for a complete list. What we like. These feature precision ball bearings, eliminating the need for messy grease. If you value a clean and efficient design, this is for you. This is a great option for those who want a hassle-free, long-lasting upgrade for their mower. What people say. The Antego wheels come with 4-ply tires rated for over twice the load of 2-ply. These wheels have real ball bearings which are an industry standard size and could be replaced down the road if needed. The tires are very well made and feature the familiar Turf Saver tread. The rims appear to be made of the same grade gauge steel as the John Deere OEM rims. The paint is smooth and glossy, and the yellow color matches the rest of the genuine John Deere yellow parts perfectly. The bearings roll smooth and slide right onto stock 340D spindles without fuss. Number 1. Antego 20x 8.00-8 tire and wheel set. These tires feature a chevron tread design, providing superior grip while protecting your turf. Enjoy a smooth, safe mowing experience. With keyed hubs and a precise fit, installation is a breeze. Simply attach them and get back to mowing. They're compatible with a variety of John Deere models, including the L100, L110, L105, L107, and L111. Check compatibility before purchasing. These durable, 4-ply tubeless tires are designed for long-lasting performance and reliable use. Get years of service from this upgrade. This set includes 2 tires and wheels, providing a complete and balanced upgrade for your mower. It's ready to install right out of the box. These 20x 8.00-8 tires have a 19.7-inch OD and 9.4-inch SW, with a 22 psi rating and a 965 pounds load capacity at 10 miles per hour. They are built to perform. What we like. These tires offer superior grip and are easy to install thanks to the keyed hub. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install replacement, this is the one for you. They're perfect for those who want a simple, yet effective upgrade for their mower. What people say. The change to the new rears was quick, with the tires an exact replacement. Fit like a glove. They came aired up and ready to go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.